reason for a box that big. Even the chicken's laughing. Half.
And the important thing is, when a very small item comes down the line, you put it in a huge box.
Half a box. All for that. What a waste. Alright, so here's what I'm working on today. I got my KTM 500. It is in desperate need of a tire. This thing is done. So I picked up this on Amazon. PLEWS tires. I guess it's a European brand. But it's DOT, and that's what I need. So I'm going to get this thing lifted up and pop that tire off and get it switched out. Oh, it's been a while since I picked this thing up. Hurt. Perfect. Perfect. Tires up. Cool. Can't touch this. Hammer time. Alright, well, I've got the bead lock loose and the air out of the tire. I am going to wrestle with this off camera and get the tire off. I lied. I will do it on camera because I'm sure some of you guys would seriously? Enjoy my struggles. Is my sprayer broken? Oh, come on. Upside down, maybe? Okay, found a new sprayer. Cool. Alright, just trying to remember. It's been so long since I've taken a tire off. There's an easy way to do it. Was it that way or was it that way? Okay, so I think I had to do it like this before. Get one down and force the other two over, and then I can hold the little one, and then I can come over here and grab another bite. If I can get it down in there, come on. Just fighting a bead, that's all. The bead fully seated back on this side. Get down. Dang it. I'll win. As I handle the live grenade. Would you look at that? Now it won't fall. Let's try this side. That might be the ticket. Got it. There it comes.
There you go.
Oh, come on.
I was thinking, if the tire was so junky, why don't you just cut it off?
Because the bead pack is steel,
Well, yeah, you could cut it too.
you're not getting down in there.
Oh, really?
You've damaged the rim. I've tried it before. Doesn't work.
Oh, okay.
Slowly coming back to me. I'm starting to remember. Come on. And then up. There it goes.
Voila!
Just like that. See, I remembered there was an easy way to do it. I remember. Nope, you put the rim inside the tire first. You line up your valve stem. Oh yeah, that's the other trick. You put the nut on the valve stem. So now that won't come out. So then I have to wedge this in between the two. I should be able to do it by hand. Looks like the trick, stand on it. Maybe. It's kind of working. I want the rim inside of both. Like that. There we go. Okay. Half of the battle's done. Okay, so I need to end at the bead lock. So I need to start opposite of the bead lock. Better not have been the tube. There.
Nice.
Nope. That's how you pinch a tube. I was starting to pinch. Yeah, that little
Inner tube.
hiding right there.
Oh, the bead lock?
No, the inner tube is hiding right on the edge of the rim.
Careful. You'll do it. Top. There you go.
Okay. And I may have done it without pinching the tube, hopefully.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. But that's one side done.
Oh no, is there another one? Oh no.
It's the same thing, and that's literally the secret that I learned, is you put the tire in the rim, and then you work one side, then you flip it over, and then you work the other.
Okay, more lubrication.
Yep. Because it allows the bead to sink in on the other side,
What about the hold down on the rim lock?
It's already seated in the rim lock. You do it all at once.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what I was saying. That's that trick I learned.
Oh, very nice.
So I need to get half of the tires started.
Need help?
No, I got it.
All right. Oh, nice. It's going in nice. Yeah. Soap's wonderful, huh?
That's how I've always done it.
Yep. Good.
Dish soap.
Simple dish soap, yeah. No WD-40, no engine oil, nothing.
No.
No, nothing.
I mean, I've heard of some people using lard before.
Oh, yeah. Just patience. Oh, gravity. Yep, there you go. Get it out. One more. One more. Go. And
No.
you're done.
There's like 3 more bites that I have to
Oh,
take.
come on, baby. Come on. Oh, come on. Oh, here it comes.
Styrofoam.
Ah, come on. Oh, one more. Here, I'll move that for you. I'll get that out of the way. Ugh. Come on, baby. Come on.
Get in there.
Come on.
Okay, got
That's
it.
what I said. Get in there. Bang. Up. Ah.
There it is, and I don't see any inner tube. Hopefully it doesn't leak. But if it does, that's why I have an extra tube.
What?
Air check just break? Nope, because it needs a Schrader valve. It's trying to pop. I might need to spray more lube.
No comment.
It's trying. I think it's there.
How many pounds? 30?
40. Bead's fully seated.
I think you did good.
I don't think I pinched it either. I don't see any air coming out. I don't see any bubbles. I might have got it. I might still have it.
Yeah, but your bearings, just make sure.
I gotta clean and lubricate everything anyways.
So you just hose it off.
Yeah. I put it to 40. I'll check the air pressure in 10 minutes. I think I got it. Time to clean the rim. Oh. Nope. There we go. Ah, it came out. Okay, that's one side. And two. Alright, here's the real test. See if it still has air in it. Yep. $20. 15. Perfect. Alright, so there we have it. New tires in, not leaking, and yeah. So it's going to be a couple days until I can take this out for a ride. I don't want to risk dropping the bike and having the end of this handbar open. So I got some handguards coming that'll go on. Well, it is the next day, and parts have arrived. Let's see what I got here. Nah. Yeah. Oh, all B. It's actually a KTM power part. Who would have thought? I would have figured it would have been the Chinese knockoff. Buying it from Amazon. Cool. Well, hardware bag has a hole in it, but it appears to all be here, except for one screw. That's unfortunate. Oh, 2 screws. Ha! Cool. All right, let's put them on. All right, so I guess a few steps are required for the install of these. You gotta remove this bolt, which I'm gonna have to catch the spring and everything that's gonna jump out at me. That's not gonna fit. But I also have to cut this cable tie. That'll work. Go ahead and get that screw out. because why would I remove the whole thing if I don't need to? Go ahead and get the other side off and drill the hole they're talking about. Oh, there's not a good way to cut that one. Not risking damaging something, jeez. I guess there. That works. Perfect. Okay, so according to the manual, we have to drill a 4mm hole. Well, I'm American and my drill bits are in standard. That seems about right. 4mm? What do you think? Should I get the caliper? Caliper's dead. What bolt is it for? Okay, remove handguard. Control assembly to mark for outer hole. Okay. And then on this side, mount and tighten screws included, but it doesn't tell me what screw goes where. I got 2 black screws and 2 not black screws. That's very helpful. Okay, so this is my brake side. That is my clutch side. That goes down for the clutch side. And about, did it leave a mark? It did leave a mark. Nice. Let's leave a better mark. Why you no go click? Okay, 4mm hole. Yeah, seems about right. And same on this side. It didn't leave a mark. Left a mark that time. Cool. Alright, that'll work. Let's go put it on the bike. So KTM wants me to set these up off the bike. So swoop goes down, and I'm assuming that one goes here. And then the black one goes in the front based off the pictures that I've seen. That is not the right size. Alright, one done. And 2. Alright. Now I can go put those on the bike. Okay, so time to toss this side on. I just need to get that tool real fast. And I believe it may even be the same tool for both. And I'm dead wrong. So it's going to be a different tool yet again for the outside. But that's fine. That's KTM for you. Different size hardware everywhere. Uh-oh. That's wrong. I'll come back to that one. I'm going to go ahead and get the other side installed. Okay, so now that I have it installed, I am noticing that this has a little outward pull to it, which is a good thing. That gives me room for my throttle. But I'm seeing a small gap on the inside. I may have to slide my entire throttle housing in a little bit to make the grip fit a little better. So as it turns out, on the throttle side, the kill switch is actually what's causing that bracket to sit the way that it does. Oh, that's tight enough. So I'm just going to manually, sorry for the hand holding. Ooh. Okay, I'm really going to have to hand hold you. Fun. So I'm just going to push it in and give a little bit of clearance on my grip. And hopefully it doesn't suck in too far when I tighten it. Ugh, tight. Ooh, it's a little sticky. Alright, I'm going to have to figure that out. So I popped it loose again, and it turns out I have a casting flaw right there. So I'm going to have to pop this whole thing back off, clean up that part of the molding, and put it back on, because that's what's making my throttle stick. Come on, focus. There we go. So I did have to take a knife and trim that plastic off right there, and that should be enough to get the throttle to not stick. So I'm going to go and put this back on. So here it is. I'd say that was pretty easy, and should prevent at least some damage. I know they're not metal, they're plastic. They will break, especially the way I ride this bike. But yeah, that'll do it. Got those installed. Probably go take it out on a ride tomorrow. Maybe I'll get some video, maybe not. I don't know, we'll see. Till then, see you guys.